Hello, welcome to PMP Exam Power Review. I want to thank you for coming on board the program. You've made a very wise decision. You know that this book right here takes so much time to dig into and get the real value and substance from, and that's why this is a really great program for you. But one of the things I would like to talk about is your PMP exam study, leading all the way up to the exam. It is so important that you stay refreshed. So what I would advise you to do is to take these videos, watch them, and ask yourself at the end of each video, what have I learned? What am I now more aware of? What wasn't I aware of before that I am now? And which areas do I need to tool up, fire up on, and get strengthened in my mind? Those are the things that you need to do. For example, going through the quality management knowledge area isn't a joke. There are so many tools and techniques that are bound to be foreign to so many people. Things like the PDPC chart, things like the interrelationship diagram, maybe even flow charts or control charts. You've not really used them. I would advise you to follow what I say on the videos, such as going to asq.org and learning all of these things. So, integration management, we hit integration management. You find out that you've never used a business case which is needed for the project charter. I advise you to take a look on a website such as the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, their website. If you go to tiny.cc/Sigma PMO, like Six Sigma, tiny.cc/Sigma PMO, go to that website. Take a look for some of these key ITTOs that are inputs to so many processes. That's a hot link I set up purposely to help people see examples of some of these ITTOs. Now, CDC have got so many great tools out there, and lots of these tools map back directly to the various knowledge areas. That would be my approach. Maybe those of you who have got our book, Project Management Essentials, have been reading the book. You'll find that throughout the book, we put lots of valuable templates there so that you get an idea of what the different ITTOs really mean, as opposed to just reading and having, oh, I know, business case, but you've never really seen one. You've never really created one. Or PDPC chart. Oh, well, I can cram the name, but have you really seen what one looks like? Have you dug into it to get the finer detail to help you on the exam? You see, the PMP exam is an extremely situational exam. It's one thing to know what something looks like, but it's another thing to know what it's used for and how to be able to apply it to real work. For example, how would you apply a control chart on your day-to-day job as a project manager? What kind of work or what kind of aspect of your project could you use a control chart for? Those are the questions you need to be asking yourself. When we talk about matrix diagrams or PDPC charts or interrelationship diagrams, how would you use that? When we talk about terms such as verified deliverables or things like accepted deliverables, what comes to your mind on your project? Can you relate the term verified deliverable to a time or place or aspect of your project? And can you relate accepted deliverables? Or could you relate final product, service, or result transition to your project? That's the level that you need to get to for the exam. It's not enough to know the ITTO names. It's not enough to know what some of them look like. It's not enough to know what they are used for or how they are used. It's everything combined. The definition, what it is, what it looks like in cases where charts or tables or graphs are concerned, and how to apply it. What it is, what it looks like, and how to apply it. If you can have that mindset for all of the ITTOs, you will be hitting gold in your marks on the PMP exam. So that's our first in this quick coaching video that I've put together for you. I would really like you to know this stuff. I would like you to hit the office after your PMP exam and you've gotten certified. Apply this stuff. Teach people. Let it become real. Even before you exam. If you've got enough time, take this stuff back to the office. Begin to use it. Begin to apply it. It will greatly help your walk towards PMP exam success. I'll see you in video 2, where we begin to talk more about your PMP exam study timetable. I look forward to seeing you.